Today guys, for the Bitcoin price, and yes, I haven't forgotten about Solana, let's talk about it too, and Ethereum. But first of all, about Bitcoin guys, what I have noticed, let me change the chart to Bitcoin. And guys, this is very important because once you know technical analysis, you can say something that you can analyze, you can make your charts, your trades way better once you know how to read the charts. And for the strategy that we are using, it's called PVSRA. If you don't know, let me, for those who are new to the channel, let me introduce you how you can plot PVSRA, the PVSRA indicator on your charts. So let me get rid of this and this. So here guys, I have a clean chart, okay, just with the candles. And let's say I want to plot my PVSRA indicator. So all I have to do is I go to here, indicators, and I look for PVA, okay? So the strategy is PVSRA, price, support, price, volume, support, and resistance analysis. But the name of the indicator that I wrote is called PVA. So for the first, these two guys, so you have Japa Rico. So all you have to do is tap on this one and tap on the second one. So you tap on the PVA candle plus dragon, and then you tap on the PVA volume, and you close this window. So once you close this window, you have it beautifully plotted, both the PVA volume on the bottom and the PVA candles plus dragon. And that's all you need, guys. So far what you can see here is an accumulation of price is being accumulating just below the 200 EMA. And so far, like, people have been asking me, hey Japa, what do you think, like, how lower, like, okay, how low can it go, how low can it go? And for the daily chart, it's not very clear to us. So that's why we're going to change it to the weekly chart or even the monthly chart. So on the weekly chart, guys, what you can see is that this moment may be a great moment for entering on the weekly chart, because price has been accumulating along the dragon, which is the 50 EMA, which is this blue line with two bands, okay? And on the monthly chart, guys, if you change it to the monthly chart, you can see that we still have this much to go lower. But you know, like, if you trade the monthly chart, right, so there is not much you can say about it, because this could eventually even go higher from this point, because I'm not sure if you can see this, but there is this trend going on here. So let me, can you see this, guys? Because if you can see that, right, you know that, oops, I don't know why I deleted, but okay. So can you see something like this, guys? So okay, let me just adjust it. Yes. So can you see something like this, guys? Because this is, if you connect these lines, you can see this trend, okay? So this trend on the monthly chart may continue, which means that so far, I think, okay, I'm not sure, okay, like trading is never for sure, right? You're never sure, but this is all about probability. And once again, this video is not financial advice, it's not financial recommendation of any kind, it's just me sharing my personal views and opinions about the market. Okay, so if you can see this on the monthly chart, this channel formed by these two yellow lines, what I can tell is that this is a very good level of support, okay? So based on the monthly chart, I found my level of support based on the channel that I drew in yellow, and I changed it to the weekly chart now to confirm that this is this channel is also the dragon on the weekly chart, okay? So I would enter, you guys know that I closed all my Bitcoin positions. I don't hold any Bitcoin at the moment, but if I had to enter, I would have entered here. Having that said, I don't really want to enter, I don't really want to buy Bitcoin, because I don't really believe in the project. And I think there are many other things that are way more attractive than Bitcoin, okay? So Japa will not trade Bitcoin. I will not trade Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum, guys, because Ethereum is something that I think Ethereum has a lot of potential, okay, way more than Bitcoin. And Ethereum is also accumulating right now on the weekly chart, is accumulating along the dragon, along the 50 EMA, okay? So I believe that it still has some space to go lower though, okay? So if you change here to the daily chart, you can see that probably the weekly chart will be more or less the 200 on the daily chart, okay? So here there is still some potential because do you remember that a few weeks ago I drilled this white line and I said there is still potential to go lower, so I still believe in that. Once it goes lower and touches the 200 EMA, I'll be looking for buy positions, okay? I'll be looking for going long. And that's for Ethereum, guys. So now let's talk about Solana, because I haven't talked about Solana for a long time. So Solana, guys, you can see that on the daily chart we got close to the 200 EMA. We got close to the 200 EMA here. We haven't touched it yet, and price has been accumulating along the dragon. If price manages to go back to the 200 EMA and accumulate along here with notable volume, I'll be looking for going long again. Okay, that's for Solana, guys. And how about let's take a look at Mana, because a lot of people were asking me about Mana. And Mana, guys, on the daily chart is also been accumulating along the dragon. Okay, so you can see, you can see here, right, guys? So it's accumulating along the dragon on the daily chart. For the weekly chart, guys, let's take a look at the weekly chart. You can see there is still potential to go and touch the 25 WGT, which is this white line. So I'll be looking for that. Okay, so once it touches that, once again, with accumulation of volume on the weekly chart, I'll be looking for going long again. Okay, that's for Mana, guys. And Doge, guys, Doge. A lot of people were also asking me yesterday about Doge. And for Doge, guys, so Doge, and I don't know why I don't have my, yeah, I don't have much. I don't even have the dragon. Let me change it to the daily chart because it's relatively new, and that's why. Okay, so for Doge, guys, you can see that it's very, at least okay, not this. So I got I think I need to plot it again, so let me go back to the PVA and plot it once again. So okay, that's it. So guys, for Dogecoin, let me put it here, okay, so you guys can visualize it better, and you can see that this is very clear rejection from the dragon. Price tried to go up, was rejected by the dragon with notable volume, and here price is being accumulating. Okay, so I'll be looking for at least here, that's for the daily chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. At the weekly chart, guys, you can see that this is a very nice support area, because you can see accumulation going on here, that was also going on here and going on here. So this is a very good area to go long, okay? And I think I'm going to go long again on Doge, okay? I don't know about you guys, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to go long, which means I'm going to buy Doge again. Okay, that's for Doge. And Shiba, guys, Shiba. So for Shiba, guys, you can see on the weekly chart, this accumulation along the 25 WGT. So for me, this is also another great opportunity to go long again on Shiba, and I'm going to do so, okay? Once again, this is not what you should do. This is not financial advice. You do what you want to do. I'm going to buy more Shiba, probably like even today, yeah, and see how it goes. Okay, so that was my weekly or daily update. From time to time, you know that like sometimes I publish, sometimes I don't publish, but I'll try to publish more often from now on, okay? At least every day or at least twice a day. So thanks for watching once again, and have a great day. Goodbye.